looking. I'm actually checking. It's a 2017. It's a Jeep Grand Cherokee. Customers complaining there's a funny noise coming from under the motor. Got 71,000 miles. Oil change is due at 73,000 miles, so got like almost 2,000 miles left on the oil change. So it's a beautiful car. They call this a peanut butter interior. If you look at it, it's nice. So the first thing I'm gonna do is pop the hood, check the oil level, make sure the oil level is okay, and then I'm gonna crank it up, see if I'm gonna hear the noise they're complaining about. So yeah, it's a 6.4 liter Hemi motor. So pull the dipstick, wipe that out, stick it back in there. These cars have a lot of power, so the oil is fine, the level is good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna crank it up and see what's going on, what kind of noise they're talking about. So let me just crank this baby up. I love this car. Wow. So this guy is in trouble. Problem is, based on that noise, that's the motor knocking. So I think he would have to replace this motor. That's definitely an engine noise, and that's bad news for the customer, because what happened, these cars, a lot of times people drive these cars like crazy because they have a lot of power, because it's a 6.4 Hemi motor. So these motors are not cheap, probably over $5,000–6,000. So I'm gonna let the customer know, but I'm 100% sure this motor is no good.